Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will react on new Pashto song that it's come new, and we will discuss and decide how was this song at the end of our video, and you can also tell me more about this song in part of comment section. So don't wait and press the like button and subscribe my channel, and let's start.
मस्ती वार्डन छे मर्द नशीब
This is the end of our video, and I think this song was a really relaxing, I think relaxation like. So what do you think? How was this? I think it's really cool and very nice. And you can also tell me your comment in your comment section. And thank you for watching up to this end of our video. Hope you see you in my next video.